Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by prepping the body and voice. Drink 0.5 to 1 liter of water, relax your jaw, and stand with a stacked spine so airflow is free. Begin gentle warm-ups, lip trills and hums for 5 to 10 minutes to engage resonance without strain. Use diaphragmatic breathing with 4 to 6 second inhales and controlled exhales. This establishes consistent support. Once done, maintain a relaxed throat and keep volume moderate so the thin quality doesn't return before the next exercises. You now work on resonance and coordination. Aim sounds forward using NG and me to feel vibration in the mask. This shifts tone away from thinness. Practice slides through your range, blending chest and head registers across 3 to 4 notes at a time so transitions stay smooth. Use repeated short sets at 50 to 70% effort. This strengthens without pushing. Make sure to keep breath steady and release tension in the neck. After each set, reassess tone quality and relax any tight areas before continuing. You finish by refining vowel shape and articulation. Open vowels slightly, keep the tongue relaxed, and sustain consistent forward placement to enrich tone. Build a daily routine of 15 to 25 minutes that alternates strength drills with easy resonant singing so improvements stick. Once done, practice with real phrases and monitor stamina. If you experience persistent hoarseness or pain, rest voice for 24 to 48 hours, reduce intensity, and consult a voice specialist. This prevents damage and keeps progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.